Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my Saturday Morning Makes episode number 4 with Jill Norwood. And I have some projects to share and also the hashtag SnowmenofJanuary with Anna White. So let me show you what I used for my first card. I used this Stamps of Life 3D ink pack and I used the white. Then I used the Fill and Frosty 6x8 pad. This paper is so cute. I used the Wonky Stitch dies from MFT. I used the CC Design Snowman Kits and I used the Sentiment Snowman Kisses to You. And then I used the stamp set from Polka Doodles called Smiley Snowman. So cute. And then I used my white Jelly Roll pen, and it's the 8. I also used some, let me grab it, it's falling. I used some glossy accents. And I used some Stickles in the Twinkle. And I colored it with Copics. Oh, there was one other die I used. This one is from LDRS. I didn't pull that one. But this is what I came up with. And I put a little holly on the inside. And I left it blank. So that's my first card. And for my second card, I used these little snowflakes that came from Michael's, I think last year or the year before last. They're really cute, sparkly. I use these stitched rectangles set 1 dies from Pink and Maine. I use these My Creative Time dies, the scallop stitched oval dies, and the double stitch dies. They look like this. I use the Winter Wonderland Doodlebug Designs paper pad. This is so cute for winter. And I use the CC Designs Grouchy Snowman stamp. So cute. And I use my Copics to color. And this is the card I made. If you can see, this white paper has like little snowmen and yetis on it and snowflakes. So stinking cute. And I left it blank on the inside. Okay, and that's all my snowman cards. And then I moved on to Valentines. So I used this Simple Stories, Simple Vintage My Valentine paper. I used this Ice Cream Truck to Stamp by the Stamps of Life. And I just used the Happy Valentine's Day sentiment. I use this 3D Textured Impressions Sizzix 3D embossing folder, and it's called Hearts. And it's from 2019. And this is what it looks like. I used these strip dies from MFT. I used this little gnome die from Simon Says Stamp. And I used one of these little hearts, conversation hearts from Hobby Lobby. They're little wood pieces. And I used some iridescent glitter dust. And I paper pieced the gnome. And then I used my Copics for the nose. And I just glitter dusted the background. Oh, and I used some Kitsch Flamingo Distress Oxide, which I forgot to pull. And then I put one of those conversation hearts on the inside. It says XOXO. And that's what I came up for that one. And for my last card, I used this Gina Marie X-Stitched Rectangle die set. I used some of this corrugated neutral stack from DCWV. I used some of this Vintage Spring Basics paper pad from Maha Designs. This paper is so pretty. I used some Petaloo flowers. I also used some little birdie flowers. I used my iridescent glitter dust again. I used this Summer Hill background die from Tilda Magnolia. And I used Tilda with Elsie the Lamb. Oopsie. And I also used some stamping mask paper from Inka Dinka Doo so that I can mask my image to make it one. And I Copic colored it, and this is what I came up with. You can see that shimmer on there. And I think she turned out so cute. I love her. And this is what I did on the inside, and I haven't done a sentiment yet, so I don't know who it's gonna be for. So, I thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you. I love you guys. Bye.